Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a classic Sudoku on our channel. Now this Sudoku is constructed by paper scissors, and I really thank the author for giving us an opportunity to cover a video on our channel. So before going to the Sudoku, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on daily basis, and if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, do let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming on to this Sudoku, so this is the first classic Sudoku the author has constructed. It's a first attempt on setting a classic Sudoku. So let us see how we solve it and how the Sudokus goes actually. How is the Sudoku? So let us try and solve the Sudoku. So same classic Sudoku rules apply. You need to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and 3 into 3 box without repetition. And with that we will start solving this Sudoku. Okay, I see this box has this column has only 3 digits left, 1, 2 and 3. Both 1 and 2 cannot be here, so this would have to be 3 and these are 1 and 2. Okay, 3 would have to be in one of these two cells. Same way I see here 1, 2 and 3. Wow, there is something going on fishy with 1, 2, 3. So no, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Yes, so this becomes 5 now because you already have 3, 2, 1 in this box. So these becomes 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, and this is 9, 7 and 2, 2, 7 and 9. So 9 cannot be here, this would have to be 9, and this is 2, 7 in this box in any order, right? Okay, mm, 9, 8 and 7 would have to be in one of these 4 cells. 7 cannot be here, 7 cannot be here, so this would have to be 7. This would have to be 9, right? 9 cannot be here. Okay, and these two digits are 4 and 8 in any order. These 3 digits are 1, 2 and 6. 1 cannot be here, so this would have to be 2 and 6, and 1, 2 and 6. Okay, 2, 6 and 8. Okay, so 2 and 2, this cannot be 2 here, so this is a 2. These two digits are 6 and 8, so this would have to be 8 and this would have to be 6. Okay, 3, 5 and 4. 4 would have to be in one of these two cells, and 5 can be in any of these 3 cells. So 3, 5, 4 here. Okay, anything else? Let us see this row here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. This would have to be 3, 7. 1, 4, 7. Okay, nothing. 7 would have to be in one of these 3 cells, right? Okay, 6 will have to be here in this box because of the 6 here and here. You have a 6 in this box here. Okay, that is good. Anything else? Eight, 8 and 8. So 8 would have to be in one of these two cells. Have we placed all the 6s here? No, 6 cannot be placed here because of the 6. Okay. Oh yeah, 6 also will have to be in one of these two cells. So you have an 8 6 pair here. That's nice. 6 8 pair in these two cells. Does that give us anything? 3 would have to be in one of these 3 cells. 2 3 4 7, 2 3 4 and 7, 1 2 3 4 7, right? 3 1 2 4 and 7, nothing much here. 3 4 1 2 7, 1 2 4 and 7. Okay, no, I don't think. Okay, we can mark something in this column, I think, because 5 digits are already placed. 1 2 4 and 5. 4 5 cannot be here, so this would have to be 1 2 1 2 4 5 and 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, nothing here. This 3 5 4 5 3 4 5. Okay, 9 would have to be in one of these two cells. A corner pencil mark of 9 here. 7 would have to be in one of these two cells. No, there is nothing here. There has to be something different here. Let us see, because I don't think any more pencil marks would be required in this box. 1 2 5 and 8. No. 3 4 5 and 9. 9 2 3 4 and 5. So all of these boxes or cells require 3 or more candidates here. None of these require 2 candidates. So nothing, I don't think anything would be here, unless we'll be missing some triplets here, maybe some hidden triplets or quadruplets. So what do you think? Should we go ahead and try marking these cells? One two five eight, right? 8 1 2 5. Nothing must. 1 2 3 4 5 8 and 9. 4 5 9 5 8 and 9. 6 7 8 3 5. 1 2 9 and 4. 1 2 4 9 4 1 2 9 1 2 4 9 1 9 6 7 8 2 3 4 5 2 4 5 2 3 and 5. Okay, but I don't think so you would require anything here, because most of these cells would have to be 5 or more. No. 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4. You need one more cell, 1 2 3 4 5, to have a there is nothing here with that. Wait guys, there's something here with 1 2. Don't have here. That's awesome. Maybe I should take a surface tab here, because that would require a surface tab. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let's go on with the surface tab here. I see something really very good here. Whatever you have here would have to be here, right? So these both are connected differently, I think, because you see here, whatever you have here, 1 or 2, that digit cannot be in any of these 3 cells, either 1 or 2 cannot be in any of these 3 cells, because both 1 and 2 are here. So if you have anything here, would have to be here. If you have 1 here, 1 in this box again would have to be here, and if you have a 2 here, you will have to have here. That's nice. So which means that, wow, so both of these digits cannot be here. It's kind of a remote pair. We have covered a video on our channel just a few days ago on remote pairs, and I see a remote pair here. That's nice. So there is a really good logic. Whatever you have here would have to be here. So if you have a 1 here, 1 would have to be in this cell. If you have a 2 here, 2 would have to be here. So both of these digits are same, which means both of these are different. whatever you have here will have to be opposite of this, right? If you have 1 year, you'll have a 2 year. If you have a 2 year, you'll have a 1 year. Because if you have a 2 year, this will become 1 and this becomes 1. If you have a 1 year, this would become 2 and this becomes 2. So which means that cells seeing both of these digits simultaneously cannot have 1 and 2. So this cell, in particular this cell cannot be 1 and 2 both. This is kind of a remote pair, guys, I am sure. So both of these becomes eliminated as 1 and 2, and you have a 4-5 pair now. That gives you this as 1 and 2. Wow, that is awesome. Now that is giving us something, because I see now you have a 1-2 pair in this box. That gives you a 3 here, and that removes 1-2 pair from this box. Wow, that is awesome, guys. That gives you a 3 here. Okay, that removes 3 from this cell, and this cell as well. Again you have a 1-2 pair here, so that removes 1-2 pair from this box, this box. So 1 2 6 4 3 5 7 8 and 9. So 1 2 6 4, no, there would be nothing here. These cells are 7 8 and 5. 7 cannot be here, it will have to be 5 and 8, 7 and 8, 5 7 and 8. Okay, that was an excellent logic. It was really an excellent logic. When asked the permission to the author regarding covering a video on our channel, the author said that setting the first classic Sudoku, he wasn't sure whether it is a really good one or not for a video, and I am 100% sure it is a really good Sudoku for the video. I really hats off to the author for this Sudoku, setting it for the first time. Setting a classic for the first time and having these kind of logic is really beautiful. Really thank the author for such a wonderful Sudoku. There has to be something more in this Sudoku, and we are not getting it. Okay, I see something again. Okay, so 9 in these two cells would have to be here in this box. 5 3. I see something again with 1 and 2. I will just remove the older just things, and let me say I have something again. I have okay, A, B, and B. Again, it is kind of a remote pair. Again, the same logic is coming here, guys. The remote pair logic. So 1 2 4 9 7. Oh wow, that is awesome. There are digits that we can actually eliminate using the remote pairs. You have A, B, A and B. So which means that cells seeing both the colors simultaneously. There are a few white cells that are seeing both the colors simultaneously, green and blue cells simultaneously. So those cells cannot have 1 and 2 in those cells as the candidates or as the digits, because whatever you have here will have to be opposite. Whatever you have in green cells will be opposite of blue. So if you have 1 in blue, you will have 2 in green, and if you have 2 in blue, you will have 1 in green. If I have 1 here, you will have 2 here. 1 2 1 2. So all the green cells will be equal, all the blue cells will be equal. So digits or cells seeing both green and blue cells simultaneously cannot have 1 and 2, which means that if I am right, this cell is seeing both the green and blue cells simultaneously. This cell is seeing both green and blue cells simultaneously, which means that both 1 and 2 can be eliminated from this cell. Wow guys, this is awesome, and I think so that should complete this Sudoku. So this becomes a 7 now, a 4, a 8, a 6, a 1 and 2 here, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1. This is 4 and 7 pair, so this becomes 2, this becomes 8 here, 7 and 2, 9 and 1. Wow, that is awesome. This is really good, guys. What an excellent way to actually illustrate the remote pair Sudoku technique or remote pair techniques, and even it was kind of a different seeing that whatever you have here would have to be here. That is awesome. Such a wonderful Sudoku, guys. These digits are 9 and 6. These are 4 and 7. 1 gives you a 6 here, 1 here. That gives you a 6 here and 9 here. 4, 7 and 4, 8. Okay. That gives you a 3, 8. This eliminates 3 from this cell, 8 from this cell. You have a 4, 5, 9. So 5 and 8 are eliminated from here. You have 1 and 2. That gives you a 2 and a 1 here. And that gives you a 2 here. Yeah, 9 cannot be here. So in this row 9 would have to be here. That gives you 5, 4, 3, 5 and 4. That gives you a 7 here and a 3 here. 8, 9 and 5. That gives you a 5, 8 and 9, right? So this becomes 8 and 9. That 8 gives you a 4 and 8. That gives you a 7 and a 4. Wow. And with these two digits we complete this gorgeous excellent classic Sudoku by paper scissors. What an excellent construction this was. A really different kind of technique that we have seen today. It was something very beautiful to see, and beautiful to actually seek for that technique, look for that technique. We found that technique very easily. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.